How to find your FPL League code. Firstly, open the FPL League app on your phone. You can also do this from your website on your laptop. Firstly, just set up your profile. From the very bottom panel, go to Fantasy option. Firstly, you will need to create a team. So click on Pick Team. Now you can enter any team name. Once you do that, click on I accept terms and condition. Click on Select Name. At the bottom, select Auto Pick and save. And just like that, your team will be created. Once the team is created, scroll down to the Leagues and Cups section. Here you will see the option Configure Leagues. Click on that. Now select the option Accept all cookies. Then you will come to this kind of interface. Here click on Create a League. After you create your league, then you can invite your friends. When you invite your friends, then you will see a league code. League code will look something like X1YZ23. So it's a mixture of alphabets and numbers. You will also see an invite link that you can copy and share. So that is it for today. Thank you.